that this clown is trying to scare him, so he gonna punch him with his tooth.
So, but right now, is there anything you would like to tell the viewers about how to protect themselves from the monster clowns? The monster clown is a dinosaur too. It's by real dinosaurs. And I will come from my gears with my tooth. Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
Hello YouTubers, I'm here today with a special guest. He said he had a lot to talk about, especially with everything going on in the world today, and I have his permission to invite him on to speak with everyone. So please give a round of applause for Mr. Massiah. So Massiah, I have a question for you. How do you feel about not going to school?
I'm not going to go. My mommy said no, I can't. You this to me.
I think he's really excited about the idea of going to school. But we're going to rephrase that question. Massiah, what do you think about staying at home?
Play with toys. No, I can't do it.
I guess he just like to stay at home and play with toys. What about your homework? Do you like doing your homework?
No, I'm a baby.
I thought you was 17.
I'm not a baby. I'm not 17. I'm 4.
Oh, he lied. You know you can get in trouble for that, right? You can't get a job if you say you're 17, but you're actually 4.
I am 4.
But you said you was 17.
No, my sister am. I'm 4.
Okay. Okay, then we'll talk about something that a 4-year-old would like to talk about. First off, stop saying I said I was gonna stop saying replace it with something else like, so what do you like to do for fun?
I want to play with my friends.
You have friends?
Yes.
What are their names?
Say. Say baby dinosaur T-Rex.
Oh, the dinosaur T-Rex. His toys are his friends. Most kids have that kind of friendship.
I'm talking about the real baby dinosaur T-Rex.
You seen a real dinosaur T-Rex?
Yes. Back home with his daddy. With his mommy too.
Okay. He saw a real dinosaur T-Rex. And his mommy did too. Okay, what else have you seen?
I seen scary monster.
Baby, I didn't have on makeup. I'm not scary.
What did the scary monster look like?
A clown.
So clowns are scary monsters?
Yes.
Why are they scary?
Because my mommy keeps saying that.
So the clown is scary because your mom keeps saying that the clown is scary.
My mommy keeps showing me in her phone.
So what is not a scary monster?
It's just about to bite me in my. Him just about to bite me, and I'm not fool. I'm about to punch him with my shoes.
Upset that this clown is trying to scare him, so he gonna punch him with his shoes. And then what?
I can tell the dinosaur to hurt the monster clown and him gonna eat it. And the big one gonna eat it and the baby one can eat it.
So his his real dinosaur is going to protect him from the clown. So I would love to see that. Maybe that'll be in another episode. But right now, is there anything you would like to tell the viewers about how to protect themselves from the monster clowns?
The clown, the monster clown is a dinosaur too, and it's by my real dinosaur. And I just punch him again with my shoes.
So again, he's going to punch him with his food. That is a very dangerous weapon he have here. So thank you so much, Massiah, for sharing that with us. I hope everyone that's out there listening, if you have a clown monster under your bed, all you have to do is go punch him with your fools. Okay?
Okay.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mama's videos.
Thank you. Love you.
Love you too.